Hey, I'm going to let you in on a secret right now. New construction builders need to sell their homes right now. I mean, need. So they're offering crazy incentives, and I'm going to tell you why and how you can use this to get the best deal for you. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Teré Calloway, the #1 ranked realtor in the state of Alabama on social media and number 63 in North America. And I'm here to talk to you about new construction and what's going on right now in the market. But before I get to that, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to make sure this video gets boosted out, and hit that blue bell to make sure you get notified for any new real estate videos regarding Huntsville, Alabama, or real estate in general. Now, back to new construction. I sell a ton of new construction, and right now is the best market to buy new construction in. Don't believe me? I am buying myself. My wife and I are building a home with Legacy Homes right now in Meridianville, Alabama, just north of Huntsville. So I am standing on what I preach. Like, I think it is a fantastic time to buy new construction. There are a ton of incentives available. Like, I mean, a ton of incentives. So I'm gonna get to more of that. But right now I'm about to give you my top tips for buying a new construction home. So my first tip is you need to find a builder that fits you. And I've worked with almost every builder under 500,000 in Huntsville. I've worked with Legacy Homes, who I'm building with now. Great builder. All my clients have had great experiences. Davidson Homes, they built my current home. D.R. Horton and Lennar, which was formerly Breland Homes. All great builders in the area. And you want to find which one's right for you. And when I say which one's right for you, I mean based off of the area they have communities in, what type of amenities and upgrades that the homes have, things like that. And also what floor plans they have. And of course, most important is the price range. So all these builders come with different price ranges. So those are all important things to check out when looking for a new construction home. Also with that goes preferred lenders. And when I mention preferred lenders, this is a really big topic because these builders will basically pay you to use their lenders. Not basically, they literally pay you to use their lenders. And I mean, they're paying big time right now. There are builders that are paying $30,000, $40,000 to buy down their purchasers' interest rates. Yes, $30,000 to $40,000 to buy down your interest rates to make the homes more affordable monthly payment wise, to get more people in them, because there's a high inventory right now and these builders have to sell these homes. Like, they have no other choice. So they are just throwing the book at us right now. Everything you can imagine, they are giving us in incentives. They're adding, things that weren't added in the recent years: refrigerators, blinds, summer screening, and porches. They're making sure that you want to buy with them. And that's for spec homes, pre-sale homes. I know when I just built my home with my wife, we were able to get a $10,000 design center credit, meaning we had a $10,000 for free designs, as far as our kitchen layout and things like that. That was completely free because of that credit. Other builders are giving similar credits like that. The highest I've seen has been $20,000 of free upgrades. So those are really important things to look for right now. And this is only occurring because we're in a huge buyer's market right now. So when the market, changes and interest rates go down and it goes back to a seller's market, you will not see these same incentives, which means it is a really important and great time to buy right now. So the second tip you need to know is, after you pick the builder and, choose your lender and get those incentives locked in, then it's time to choose your lot and design your home. So there are a ton of different lots that come with these new construction communities. You could have cul-de-sac, corner lot. You could have a lot where nobody's behind you, things like that. So that really plays a factor into, where you want your home site to be. The price of the lot is included in the overall purchase price. So that's something that a ton of clients ask me about. But yes, those are all included. It is one price. So that's something that's really good to know. And then you want to design the home. Now this again, goes back to what we just talked about with the builder, because different builders allow different types of upgrades and different builders allow different amounts of upgrades. So this is really important, because I don't want you, going to a builder if you really want double ovens that doesn't have double ovens. Or I don't want you going to a builder if you really want, a two-story home with a luxury master bathroom, if this builder, only does one-story homes and only do, the prefab shower types and, doesn't have the glass tile shower, things like that. So those are really important things that, you should know when choosing a builder, and you should know when you're designing your home, because, this is your home. This is most likely a home you're going to be in for a while, and some people's dream home. So you want to make sure that it's done right in the way you like it. The third thing you need to know is the build time of these homes. These new construction homes currently are about 6 to 8 month build time. So, you got a lot of time, but that's from the time you sign your contract. So from the time to sign your contract, if it's 6 months, that means once you sign, 6 months later it will be done. And a great question I get is, how much do I have to pay while the home is being built? The answer is nothing. You do not make any monthly mortgage payments while the home is being built. You only pay once the home is completely finished and it closes. And even then, you don't pay your first mortgage payment until basically 2 months after you move into the home. So that's another great benefit of it. But yeah, that's something that you really need to know about. And when it comes to payments, going with the preferred lenders, a lot of them are paying all of your closing costs as well. So I've had clients with 0 down payment loans and get their closing costs paid by the builder, where they got their earnest money back and really didn't have to come out any money out of pocket. So that is something that is great right now with all these incentives rolling, and something you should take advantage of. The fourth thing that you have to know about new construction is you got a warranty. So you're good to go. Cosmetic, 1 year. Typically it's 2 years for electrical and plumbing, and then about 10 years for foundation, roof, the really expensive items. So that's a huge benefit buying a new construction home, is that it's warranted. You also know that it went through city inspections every step of the way. So you're getting a really safe home. And my wife is really big on making sure that we have a warranty, because she doesn't want me going in there messing with electrical or anything like that. So it is something that gives you peace of mind and knowing that your family is going to be in a new and safe home. And the fifth thing that you have to know about is equity. Equity is one of the best parts of new construction for a few different reasons. One, if you build early into a new construction community, every time they release, more lots to sell that same model you built in, usually it's always at a significantly higher price. Now that could start off at 10,000, 15, 20, etc. But each time they keep releasing, they're always going to raise the price. So with that, you're building in instant equity just from being in there first. So that's a really good thing. But also, most of the builders that I work with, they don't have escalation clauses. So once you sign that contract and go under contract, that's the price you pay. So what we've seen in the past 2 years is the market has gone up, but my clients have been locked in at that price. So they've been able to get a ton of equity once they close. I even had a client that closed on her home, the next day put it on the market and made $45,000. That's real arbitrage. So yeah, equity is a huge thing that you should pay attention to, especially if you're in an appreciating area like Huntsville, where because it's a buyer's market, prices are lower now, but they will go back up significantly soon. So building new construction where you can get great equity is a fantastic choice. So those are the top tips when buying a new construction home. That's the same tips that I give to myself when building my new construction home with my wife, and things that I give to all my clients. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can boost this video out, and also hit that blue notification bell so you can make sure that you get notified for all future videos regarding Huntsville and real estate. And all my contact info is below in the description. So make sure you hit me up so we can buy you a new home in Huntsville, Alabama. I appreciate you.